I'm Mark Alcock, Managing Director from Meller UK. Today we're at Flogas to look at the partnership between the Blackmer cargo pump and the Flowcom differential metering system. As a company, Meller UK have been working with Blackmer for almost 50 years. We supply their pump exclusively in the UK transport market, and it's on 90-95% of the UK mini bulk bobtail market. We've been working with Flogas for 25 to 30 years, and over the last 5 years we've brought together the reliable Blackmer cargo pump with the metering system of the future, Flowcom 2000, which is a pressure differential metering system.
Well, my name's Gary Rolfe. I'm the dry site manager at the Leicester depot here. I cover the main health and safety points at Flogas. We deliver gas cylinders. We have orders collected from customers, general walk-in customers, mini bulk deliveries that we have to the site for our auto gas. We sell a lot of auto gas here we've got a wide range of customers in Leicester that take the auto gas for the vehicles.
The flow instruments metering system is a pressure differential system which lends itself perfectly to the road transport industry because there's no moving parts. Vehicles are notoriously damaging and required to be robust in operation. We don't want sensitive equipment on there which is not going to stand the test of time and stand the rigours of daily road use, to be honest. So what we have with the Blackmer cargo pump and the flow instruments metering system is a very robust, very dynamic marriage of a system which lends itself perfectly to road transport use.
Okay, my name's Paul Ward and I'm a mini bulk delivery driver. I go around industrial businesses and domestic premises delivering gas. Yeah, it's nice to know that when I set off on my deliveries in the morning that the pump isn't going to cause me any problems and that I can make my deliveries efficiently and safe.
Prop shaft driven, underneath the vehicle is a Blackmer LGL2 cargo pump. Many hundreds of these cargo pumps in the UK market. The #1 solution. Down the side of the chassis here is a Flowcom 2000 differential pressure metering system. Delivery line from the pump up along the chassis. First item we come against as part of the Flowcom metering system is the gas bubble sensor. What we've got here, no moving parts in the metering system, fit and forget reliability. Coupled with the Blackmer cargo pump, the #1 most reliable metering system available in Europe today.
PSG, where innovation flows.